Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you an original style Ericofon, and this unit does not work at all. This is the initial checkout. This is Scott's equipment from Mississippi, and basically Scott has a note with this unit. He says that this telephone was working and then all of a sudden it didn't work any longer. And this unit does not ring and it does not have dial tone. So there is no power to this unit. And we've troubleshooted a little bit, and we know that our line cord is good, and it's good up to the point of coming into the telephone. And I want to give you a look at this unit since this is the initial checkout. And then we'll show you the inside workings. And it is an original. And it has some different date codes on it. On the inside here. Looks like 67. One is a 52. So some parts may have been changed. Now, the issue is somebody has worked on this telephone at some point. They've made some connections here. We have one loose connection, but that goes to the capacitor. Has nothing to do with the dial tone part of the telephone. That would only be included in the ring cycle, so that's not the issue. And with the connections that we have here, somebody has made some connections. There's no spade connectors on these screw down at the screw down block for your connection block. And they've added, looks like somebody has added this wire here. The issue is it's not wired properly, so I'm not sure how it ever worked with this line cord on it. Maybe that was done afterward. So we want to get the wiring straightened out. We need to take a look at what has been done, and then we need to make our repairs. So we're going to go ahead and get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this Ericofon. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this telephone. And basically what we're doing is cleaning up the mess that was left behind when someone was going through this telephone. I believe they were trying to repair it. Now we have other connections that we want to add, and so we're still working in this area. We also have our spade connectors on our line cord now, so that's been taken care of. And we're starting to clean up some of the wires that are not needed, and we're in the wrong location to begin with. So we're going to go ahead and finish this work up. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this telephone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to show that the transmitter capsule was bad, and these have graphite granules in them, And when they get older and have some age on them, they will kind of sound staticky, they pop and they sizzle, and this transmitter is actually bad. So we want to replace that, and we did with an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. And the transmitter that we installed has a high quality transmit power. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use that in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and I can press the button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. And we went ahead, since the design of the telephone, we just taped it behind the receiver capsule, and that's where we're picking up our audio. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the button on the amplifier, because with an open amplifier, they are prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere, and I want to push the button. You might hear a little bit of an electrical hum. It's pretty quiet today, and I'll go ahead and release it. So if you hear any noise during our checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We want to go ahead and use the analyzer and ring the telephone, so we'll start that. We'll send a ring cycle. We'll let that go a couple times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the transmitter. Every time you see that red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this telephone is ringing in on our ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Today is Thursday, March 30th. The current time, 7:07 p.m. and the temperature, 45 degrees.
We can hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our telephone up. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired and converted, I'm sure Scott's going to enjoy using this telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.